Homa Janailu, Namaskar and hello. Here I am Tapati Singho. Welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Nungshipi Imar Phiral. As some of my viewers have requested me to teach them Bishnupriya Manipuri, so I have come up with a new video on learning the basics of Bishnupriya Manipuri. So let's start. At first, I'll be introducing you all to some of the common words which we use daily, such as I am, me, you are, thee, he is, ta, or she is, they. Okay, I am, me, you are, thee, he is, ta, or she is, they. In plural form, we are, ami. You are, tumi. Very simple. They are, tanu. We are, ami. You are, tumi. They are, tanu. Okay, very simple, no? Let me use these words in sentences, such as I am Raju. I am means what? Me. Raju means Raju. I am Raju. Me, Raju. You are Radha. Ti, Radha. You are Ti, Radha, Radha. You are Radha, Ti, Radha. Okay? He is Rana. He is means what? Ta. He is Rana, ta, Rana. Or she is Ritu. She is Tei, Ritu, Ritu. She is Ritu, Tei, Ritu. Very simple, no? So, I am Raju, me, Raju. You are Radha, ti, Radha. He is Rana, ta, Rana. She is Ritu, Tei, Ritu. Okay. Now we can use these words in some other sentences like I am a boy. Okay. I am means me, a boy. Boy means Munisho. A means ago. I am a boy, me, Munisho, ago. I am a girl, me, Jelaso, ago. Or you can say, you are a girl, ti, Jelaso, ago. He is a man, ta, Muni, ago. Man means Muni. Women means Beyapa. He is a man. He is means ta. A man. Muni, ago. Man means Muni. A means ago. Ta, Muni, ago. She is an woman. Tei, she is means Tei. Beyapa, ago. Woman means Beyapa. Tei, Beyapa, ago. Sometimes we say Beyapa, Jela also. So, Tei, Jela, ago. Or Tei, Beyapa ago. Again, we can use these words in some other sentences like I am at home. Mi gore asu. You are at home. Ti gore asot. He is at home. Ta gore ase. Or she is at home. She is means tei. Tei gore ase. Ta gore ase. Tei gore ase. In plural form, we are at home. Ami gore asi. You are at home. You are means tumi. You are at home. Tumi gore aso. They are at home. Tanu gore asi. Simple, no? So, I think I should conclude here today because if it is too long, it would be difficult for you to learn also. So, let me conclude. Meet you again. Thank you. Dhanyabad. Amar kache jobor hobabohan. Nyampa perumanwe Bishnupriya Manipuri Tharehan Hikanir hotnalo aguya hasi morang অনুরোধ করেছি ওখানে এখনকার ভিডিও হানাত তানুরে হিকুয়ানির হতনা হান মেও করেছো হাবিয়েতি লইয়া ঠারে হান চিন্তা করি পাল করি যত মানুহে ঠার হান মাত্তাই হিকতাই ঠার হান চিন্তাই তৈ পালই তৈ গালই তৈ আমার ঠারে হানরে পৃথিবীর মানুষের চিন্তায় এটা বলিয়া আমি আজি লম করলু ধন্যবাদ হাবি হবায়া থাইও